guys, welcome back to another vlog. Vlogmas day 4. I have a new background, kind of like this. Like, I like the light that is giving off, but I'm gonna be co-washing my hair to start off this video today. I'm gonna be co-washing my hair, and then I'm gonna be trying out a new leave-in. So if you watched my last wash day routine, not the Pantene one, my last wash day routine before that one, you may have seen that I used the Moisture hibiscus water conditioner. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use my Aussie Moist 3-minute Miracle Curls deep conditioner plus I'm gonna use my As I Am Long and Luxe pomegranate and passion fruit grow wash. So this will actually be doing the washing / cleansing in addition to the conditioning, and these will just add to the conditioning. And yeah, I'm gonna do this. Then I'll be trying out this Mezzani 25 Miracle Milk leave-in. It has 25 beneficial ingredients in this little bottle. It's not little, it's actually 8.5 fluid ounces. Yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna be trying it out. I got it to try out and review and give my honest opinion, so that's what I'll be doing. It smells good. So it's very runny. So I'm back, guys, and my hair is very wet, so if you see me like having some drip spots all over, it's my hair. Usually I'd have oil, water plus my leave-in in this bottle, but since I want to give this new leave-in a try, I got some fresh water, clean water, no oil, anything in it. So yeah, and today I'm not going to use gel. I'm gonna go around and apply the leave-in with the oil on all sections, and then I'll go back to each section and do the twist. And if you guys already know, if you've seen my other videos, you know I only use the male pomegranate and honey leave-in. I've never had a spray leave-in before, so hopefully this works. I mean, it feels nice on my it feels nice on my hair, like silky. Well, not silky, but it feels nice, so I guess that's a good sign. So I'm gonna just brush that out with my brush, my curl brush. I mean, it does make my hair softer, honestly it does, so that's good. So these are the curls. Well, not the curls, the twists. Nice and juicy. Look at this one. So I'm gonna tie them down now. Hopefully they don't take that long to dry, and then when I'm taking them down, you guys will see it. And I didn't use the twisting cream, the twisting souffle, because I wanted to see how my hair will come out if I use just the milk and oil. And judging by how the twists are, I think they will look nice. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So hey guys, the hair isn't as dry as I'd like, but I mean, the twists are really flat, which that's my fault because I tied them down. But that's fine. I'm gonna have to try and do something though because I actually want to wear them out. But yeah, I'll try to fix it. So I'm just gonna have it like this, so it's kind of stretched. These two right here are already stretched, so I don't want it to look that bad, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the thrift store today, maybe not. And yeah, so I'll try to vlog because you know I can't vlog in public. So yeah, let's see what happens in the next clip. Yeah, so I don't even know if I'll have this much courage to like vlog in public. I'm only doing this now because I don't think there's anybody outside. But I'm bringing the camera, so that's a stepping stone. But I'm so, oh my god, somebody just came up. So I came in Burlington because, oh my god, you know how long I wanted one of these? I wanted one of these for so long. Oh, but no, I got something to replace it. So I don't really have a need for it right now, but I wanted this for the longest while. It's kind of wobbly anyways. But damn. But yeah, I came in here because I wanted a shower caddy. Probably something that won't rust. Something like plastic. Oh yeah, probably like that, but that's $15. Yeah, probably something like this. Yeah, this. I don't think this will rust. But like this, but this says 100% right. 100% rust free, same $15. But I want a dark color anyways, so this is $12. I like this though. I like this one, so I think I'll get this one. I come here, the sweet almond oil is finished. This is the only one I use, and not really sure about the avocado oil, but the sweet almond oil is good. I think I'm gonna just try the avocado oil. So I'm back home and I managed to get a good amount of clips while I was on the road, so kudos to me for the first. I only got two stuff. One of them is a shower caddy, just this, like I showed you guys. I don't know if I showed this in the video, but just a shower caddy because I need a new one. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rust, hopefully. And I also got this Silk Elements avocado oil. Yeah, avocado oil. I used to use the sweet almond oil, this one. As you can see, it's all buttered, but every time I go to Sally Beauty's, the almond oil is done, like the whole section empty. So I just decided to try this, the avocado oil, this time because I really need a new oil. The one that I'm using now, which is the Male Organics Rosemary and Mint, that one is finished. Well, it's not finished, it's almost done. So I'm gonna try the avocado oil, so hopefully it works.